Okay, like I said, this is reserve, as you can see, all full of plastic. That's the river. It's all everywhere you look. And that's where the tail, that's just over there. It's literally very close. It's everywhere, all over. You can't literally walk without seeing it. I said to a newspaper reporter, it has to be banned. No other choice in this country. Plastic will have to be banned because you can't use it. You can't say this is a poor area. This is all where all the wealthy people live around here. All the houses around here all belong to very wealthy and rich people. So it's not the poor people who are doing it. You see all that in the stinking water? What we're saying? I wonder what that sign is going to say. Reserve a course of precaution. And just look at all this rubbish.